This is my 13th video, class 8 science, synthetic fibers and plastics. This is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Vikramganj. Chapter 13, synthetic fibers and plastics. Natural fibers acquired by nature, synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. From name you are knowing that what is synthetic fibers. The word polymer has a Greek origin where poly means many and mers or meros stand for a small unit of part. Different synthetic fibers, rayon or artificial silk. Rayon or artificial silk. Regenerated fiber. This is different thing, try to understand. The raw material used in the preparation of rayon is wood cellulose, which is a natural fiber. This natural fiber is processed to obtain a silk-like fiber. Therefore, rayon is sometimes also called regenerated fiber. Okay. Rayon is also known by names like viscose rayon and art silk in the textile industry. The term nylon is named after two cities, New York in USA and London in Great Britain. NY stands for New York and LN for London. It was so named as the fiber was developed by the collective efforts of scientists of these two countries. Terylene. Terylene is another synthetic fiber which is used for making clothes. Fabrics like terrycol, terrywool, terrysilk, terrycoat, etc. are made up by mixing terylene with wool, silk and cotton respectively. PET. PET means polyethylene tetraphthalate. Acrylic fibers, acrylone. Disadvantage of synthetic fibers. They have very low melting point. They burn to form small sticking beads at high temperature. It is therefore not advisable to wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen. Plastics. Linear arrangement of molecules. They are generally known as thermoplastics. The first man-made plastic was invented by Alexander Parkes in 1862. He gave the name Parkesine to this plastic. Teflon is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. It is used for providing a non-stick coating on cookwares. Types of synthetic plastics: thermoplastic, thermosetting plastic. Plastic which have a linear arrangement of molecules are thermoplastic. Plastic which have a cross-linked arrangement of molecules are called thermosetting plastics. Plastics and the environment: biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Damage caused by plastic waste. Measures to control the damage caused by plastic waste. And here there are using of 4R. As a responsible citizen, we need to remember the 4R's principle. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Once again here, reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Don't trace our future, recycle. Now question answer time. Wool, silk, plastics, regenerated, man-made, thermosetting plastic, false, true, 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 false, bakelite, nylon. Nylon, biodegradable, it has a cross-linked arrangement of molecules. Synthetic plastic have quite high tensile strength. Keen observer, nylon burns easily. Question answer time. You may pause the video and you are able to revise all question answer. Mainly this video is for revision purpose. You may read. If you will read only, you can write any question. This video is for mainly for revision purpose. Okay, but here once again I am suggesting you, this is my humble suggestion to you all, subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.